Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix packet loss on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix pocket loss on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, and so on. Click on network. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find connection status and also settings. Go ahead and click on settings, and then here you're gonna find connect to the internet. Make sure you enable this option, and then here you're gonna find set up internet connection. So basically guys, once you're here, go ahead and disable, then enable again the option to connect to the internet, and then click on set up internet connection. Once you're here, go ahead and select your internet connection, click on option, and then click on advanced settings. Once you do that, here you're gonna find all of your settings. Go to DNS settings, click on it, and then on default it will be set on automatic. Go ahead and set it to manual, and then here you're gonna find primary DNS and also secondary DNS. In primary DNS, go ahead and enter this one, 8.8.8.8, and go to secondary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4. Once you finish, go ahead and click on OK, and then just wait for it to connect to the access point, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.